Dude, this show sucks. No, it's not. It's the best show in the world. Oh my god, this fucking sucks. Sure, right. It's not stopping. Hey man, what you got there? Egg sandwich and Gatorade. I heard online that if you eat these before, when you have the hiccups, it cures them no matter what. Dude, if you're gonna eat an egg sandwich raw like that, you're gonna throw up. Nuh-uh. I bet I could even hold it in and throw a ball at my stomach. Oh, this egg is horrible. But it's still edible though. Don't egg sandwiches. Or Gatorade. Dude, the egg didn't work. Why not just try Gatorade? Oh, that's just handy dandy, because I just bought a bottle of Gatorade right here.
Hello, my name is Austin Drake, and this is Tim Ramsey. We are the Hiccup Police, and today we're looking for somebody who has the hiccups. We're gonna drive around, see what we can find. It's a pretty risky job, but oh, hang on, we got one. We got one right here. Get ready, get ready. Get ready to we're gonna get this guy. Stop right there!
Get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car!
Get up, get up!
Did you hit your cops? The hiccups are gone! Yeah! Woo! Yes, you suckers! Woo! Thanks, guys. My hiccups are gone.
Yep.
Oh my god.